So we have the equation 3 raised to the 17th equals 2x minus 4. This is an exponential equation. We're going to convert it over to a logarithmic. So a way to do this, remember our rule, a to the y equals x. We can convert that over using logarithm. Log base a of x equals y. And in those cases, it's good just to notice your place values here. Y is the exponent, which in our case is 17, so it'll go on a side by itself. The base in this case is 3, so that will be the base of the logarithm. And let's see here, another color, yellow. What's on the other side of the exponential, the 2x minus 4, that's the x, so that's the argument of the logarithm. So this can be rewritten in log form as log base 17 of 2x minus 4. Messing up there a little bit. Log base 3 of 2x minus 4 equals 17. Got ahead of myself. So making sure you see where everything came from. Compare it to the original version I had down here, and I'll color code it to make sure you can follow. Thank you.